Highway Code, cyclists, Rule 60. At night, your cycle must have white front and rear lights. It must also be fitted with a red rear reflector and amber pedal reflectors if manufactured after the 1st of the 10th, 1985. White front reflectors and spoke reflectors will also help you to be seen. Flashing lights are permitted, but it is recommended that cyclists who are riding in areas without street lighting use a steady front lamp. Highway Code, cyclists, Rule 61. Cycle routes and other facilities. Use cycle routes, advanced stop lines, cycle boxes and toucan crossings unless at the time it is unsafe to do so. Use of these facilities is not compulsory and will depend on your experience and skills, but they can make your journey safer. Highway Code, cyclists, Rule 62. Cycle tracks. These are normally located away from the road, but may occasionally be found alongside footpaths or pavements. Cyclists and pedestrians may be segregated, or they may share the same space, unsegregated. When using segregated tracks, you must keep to the side intended for cyclists, and as the pedestrian side remains a pavement or footpath. Take care when passing pedestrians, especially children, older or disabled people, and allow them plenty of room. Always be prepared to slow down and stop if necessary. Take care near road junctions, as you may have difficulty seeing other road users who might not notice you.